So these are the Tibetan cymbals. As you can see, they have the Om mark all the way around them. They have the leather tie on the inside of each one of the cymbals. It is a leather strap that's holding them together, so it's super sturdy. Although there are no instructions, it's pretty just obvious that you just have them clanked together. The sound does last about 30 seconds depending on how hard you hit them. If you clang them together a little bit harder, they do last a little bit longer. Just really nice. They do have some weight to them because they are metal. Just really beautiful.